Contractors working on claims, do not scroll. Stay right there. What I'm about to tell you will make you so much money, it will blow your mind. We are starting a very first class doing a 6-week program for contractors to utilize AI in claims handling to be able to help you do what you're supposed to do in the claim and also allow the policyholder to do what they're supposed to do in the claim by using the same AI that you're using. And you can give them that access for free. It will allow you to understand what has to happen next. And then Brelly will tell the policyholder what they need to do and give them guidance on what it is that they should do next and then help them do it. And you can be the facilitator of all that. You can avoid crossing the UPPA line by not doing everything for them. This is a new process that you need in place in order to stay ahead of this AI game. They're using AI on their side. They've already admitted it. Almost everything they're doing is AI. You need it on your team as well. Brelly can help you do that. And with a 6-week program, we have 6 one-hour sessions once a week where I teach you exactly how to implement Brelly into your process using your claims. We will actually work together to make that happen, get all of your information in there, get you organized, get your claims moving, and engage the policyholder to fix the claims for themselves so that you can stay a contractor and have the respect of the insurance company again, because you're not trying to work the claim yourself. If this is something you're interested in, you might be asking me, this sounds like it's probably very expensive because it's Mammal Holland doing it. If we were actually going to charge you the full amount we normally would for the amount of time that it's going to be with me working on your claims, it would be over $7,000. Easily $7,235 is what it actually comes out to. But if you want to join the very first 6-week class, which starts in only 2 days, you have to sign up right now because we're going to lose slots. There's only so many slots left. Sign up right now, and it's only $9.97. And we get started. The very first class is on Wednesday. Can't make it to the first class? That's fine. Everybody that signs up, you get the recorded calls too. Not only do you get that 6-hour instruction, you also get another 6 hours of claims work as a team, a mastermind group where it's all open discussion. What is it that you could use? We're going to teach you how to use Brelly. We're going to give you access to Brelly, and we're going to teach you how to engage your policyholder using AI to help themselves in the claims. And we will even give you the ability to work with different AI that exists in the market for different aspects that Brelly doesn't handle. So if you want to learn how to actually utilize AI for yourself, this is a no-brainer. It is a crazy no-brainer. $9.97. All you have to do is click that link, or type it in if you have to, and get yourself signed up. We started 2 days. There's only so many slots. Don't miss this. It's the first class. You could be ahead of your peers in handling claims the right way and utilizing AI for your policyholders' benefit. Get involved in this. It's never going to be this cheap again. Do it.